Hello, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an essential process, how to sell Bitcoin on Binance. Selling your cryptocurrencies can be a crucial step in your financial journey, so today I'm going to show you in a simple way how to do it on the Binance platform. Let's dive into this exciting tutorial. The first thing we need to do is to log in to Binance and, of course, log in to our account. If you don't have a Binance account yet, make sure you create one before continuing. Once inside, on the main panel, you will see all the cryptocurrencies you have. Look for Bitcoin and click on the yellow option that says Trade. Another tab will open up where you can trade Bitcoin. Here you will see the Bitcoin chart and, to sell, you must scroll down a bit until you find the panel to enter the amount you wish to sell. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell in the space provided. It is crucial to select the Market option to sell Bitcoin at the current market price. This guarantees a quick transaction at the price being quoted at the time. Now, all you have to do is click on Sell Bitcoin. Confirm the transaction and you're done. You have successfully sold your Bitcoin on Binance. And that's it, guys. You have learned how to sell Bitcoin on Binance quickly and easily. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any other questions or if there's anything else I can help you with. See you in the next video.